Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey, people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. And now, we only using one account. We only using one account because most people who are starting with My Lead Gen Secrets and the $25 business, in general, will only use one account to start. Now, you can be much more profitable with multiple accounts, but most people start with one account. So I kind of want to show the results of promoting this product on My Lead Gen Secrets consistently with just one account. So your results should look similar to mine. You may have a little more, you may have a little less, but your results should be within the vicinity of what I'm getting here in general. But anyway, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Links in the description below. You want to follow along, and let's get started. All right, so first off, the reason why I like promoting the $25 business is because essentially it's a funnel builder. It comes with a lot of other things as well, but mostly it's a funnel builder, and it's a very lucrative funnel builder. Very easy to use, very easy to make. No kind of limitations at all. Make as many funnels you want, make as many pages you want, connect many domains you want. It's easy to make subdomains, easy to do all of that stuff that sometimes you have to look up how to do when you work with certain funnel builders. And it's very simple to work with. You can just connect. It's easy to connect stuff to it. So simple. All right, guys. That's the main reason I like promoting it, because it's all that for $25. $25, no limitation at all. Most lucrative and the most popular funnel builder right now, ClickFunnels. Now ClickFunnels is $97 per month. 97, 25, 97, 25. There are a ton of limitations. Whole lot of limitations, including how many people can see your page. That means that if a certain amount of people see your page, not even click on it, but just see your page, they'll shut your page down. That's insane to me. It's a bunch of other limitations too. Many funnels you can make, all this and that, so on and so forth. But $97 per month, that's crazy to me. And even if you pay the $300 per month for all of it, no limitations and stuff, you still got some limitations. But for the most part, no limitations. You have to pay $300. That's crazy. And that's why I like the $25 on funnel builder. I think it's a whole lot better. And second of all, and I think the most important reason, and I think the reason that most people are interested, why I was interested, and a lot of other people interested in promoting the $25 business, is because of its affiliate system. Its affiliate system, which returns 80% recurring commissions. 80% recurring commissions. In fact, 80% commissions for every product they have. Home Business Academy. That's insane. That's so high. And it's so great because I gotten so many commissions overall in general just by doing this. Now I remember one person telling me that was on YouTube. They told me they bought the product and they're trying it out. So I know at least one sale I gotten from YouTube, but for the most part it's all been My Lead Gen Secrets, and this is working for me, and I really want to show you guys what y'all can do. Last 2 months, well, the last 2 months, my first month I made $400. I think it was about four. I think it was about $400. This month I made over $600. What can't y'all do with over $600 extra income every month? Y'all could do a lot. You could pay some bill. You could pay something. I sure can. And that's just building up. It's still building up, guys. Should be even higher this month if I get some more sales. Alright, guys. Anyway, guys, let's look at the results here. So we're gonna refresh the page. I usually do bad at the beginning of the month, but let's see. Okay, it turns out we did not get a sale yesterday. which is absolutely totally fine, guys. Like I stated before, I don't do too well at the end of the month. I mean, at the beginning of the month, because I haven't gotten any sales at the beginning of the month. So I don't get any rebills or anything like that at the beginning of the month. So it's not a big deal for me. And it shouldn't be a big deal to you. Eventually, lines will be all through this thing. If you keep on doing this, you keep on promoting this, month after month, year after year. Eventually, lines will be up on all of these things. Soon you'll be making hundreds of dollars every single day, thousands even. Some people make even like $1,000 a day. I seen somebody make $30,000 off of this product, guys, in a month. So this is money. This is money. It's a fairly new system as well. This is what you want to promote, guys. Best system to promote right now, period. All right, so also make sure people refresh the page when they show you their results. It's very easy to change all these numbers around. Very easy. Refresh it, it'll show the real results. So if they don't do that, don't believe those results. Anyway, let's keep it moving here. We're gonna go on to my lead gen secrets here, billing system. What email we're gonna go with here? Okay, instant 20 commissions email. I kind of want to pick the check marks. Let me get that. Yeah, I want to rewrite the title a little bit, just because, make it a little bit different. So what we do, we grab this title, copy it, we pull up I pull up Quillbot. I like using Quillbot. I paste it in right there. Paste it in right there. It paraphrase it, see what they change. Alright, so we just copy full text here. I don't care about other languages. Anyway, we just post that in right there, paste. And I just want to capitalize everything. You guys can copy this too. The email itself says the same thing. I just wanted to make this a little different, so it looks a little different to people. Maybe they'll see getting the same email over and over again. Sometimes I just try to flip script, try something else. You know what I mean? Sometimes you just do that. Ultimately, the goal is to send something. You don't have to do what I'm doing, but ultimately the goal is to send something. You can copy this email if you want to. You just pause it right there. Pause it right there. That's all it is. That's the whole email there. And right here, you want to put your link. Put your link in right there. This is where you get your link here. You go here. You find all-in-one business. You can try other links if you want, but this is the one I'm promoting. All right, guys. So that's all there is to that. Okay. You put your link in right there by clicking on this right here. This is your link button here. That's all there is right there. We put our sincerely here. We can put our name we want to. Let me put my name. I'm gonna put my name right there. And I want to bold it, isolate it. Boom. Alright, that's all there is to it, guys, and we are done. And you make sure you preview and make sure the link works. I know mine works because, I sent this email before, so it's no big deal. So we send the email, and make sure you hit perfect time. Perfect time it does. Send the email around time people check their email, so it's a better chance of them checking it. And honestly, that's all there is to it, guys. Easy as pie. You just do this every morning. You got your extra $400-500 a month already. I'm on day 70, I believe, so this is a little bit over 2 months. I'm already at $600 a month. Alright, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Links in the description below. You want to follow along, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.